What if Apple's next iPad Pro finally becomes powerful enough to make you question whether you even need a laptop anymore? For years, the iPad Pro has been regarded as one of the most advanced tablets ever created, combining premium hardware with industry-leading performance. It offers an incredible display, an ultra-thin design, impressive battery life, and Apple's custom silicon chips that already outperform many traditional laptops in raw processing power. Yet despite all of those strengths, one question has continued to follow every new generation of the iPad Pro. Can it truly replace a laptop for professional users? That debate has never really gone away, but according to the latest rumors, Apple may finally be preparing the biggest step toward answering it. Reports suggest the next generation iPad Pro could arrive with a significantly faster M-series processor, stronger graphics performance, more memory across every model, and even an upgraded cooling system that allows the chip to maintain peak performance for much longer. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, this may not simply be another annual refresh with slightly faster specifications. Instead, it could represent one of the biggest performance upgrades the iPad Pro has ever received. Before getting too excited, however, there is one important detail worth mentioning. Nobody outside Apple knows exactly what the next chip will be called. Some industry insiders believe Apple will introduce an M6 processor, while others think the company could skip directly to an M7 chip for the next iPad Pro generation. There are also reports suggesting Apple may adopt a new 2-nanometer manufacturing process, allowing for better efficiency and higher performance. None of these details have been officially confirmed, so they should all be treated as rumors rather than facts. What appears to be much more consistent across multiple reports is the direction Apple is taking. The next iPad Pro is expected to receive a CPU upgrade that delivers approximately 15 to 20% more performance compared to the current generation. At first glance, that may not sound like a revolutionary jump, but context is everything. The current iPad Pro is already capable of handling demanding video editing, high-end gaming, multitasking, coding, music production, photography workflows, and professional creative applications with remarkable ease. Adding another 15 to 20% of processing power on top of an already incredibly fast platform could make daily performance feel even smoother. Applications may launch almost instantly, large projects could load faster, video exports may finish sooner, and demanding workflows could feel noticeably more responsive, especially when multiple heavy tasks are running simultaneously. The graphics improvements may be even more exciting. Current rumors suggest Apple could increase the GPU from 10 cores to 12 cores, providing a meaningful boost for graphics-intensive workloads. That extra graphics horsepower could benefit a wide range of professionals, including video editors, 3D artists, game developers, photographers, architects, and digital illustrators. Faster rendering, smoother playback on complex editing timelines, improved real-time previews, and better performance inside professional creative software could all become possible with additional GPU resources. Of course, raw hardware alone never tells the entire story. Software optimization remains just as important. Apple has traditionally done an excellent job of optimizing its own applications to take advantage of its custom silicon, and if third-party developers continue optimizing their software as well, those additional GPU cores could translate into real-world productivity gains rather than simply looking impressive on a specification sheet. Memory is another area where Apple may finally address one of the biggest complaints surrounding recent iPad Pro models. Currently, the amount of RAM depends on which storage configuration customers choose, forcing some users to purchase more expensive storage simply to gain additional memory. According to the latest reports, Apple may simplify this strategy by equipping every next-generation iPad Pro with 16 gigabytes of RAM regardless of storage capacity. That would be excellent news for professional users because more memory allows more demanding applications to remain active without constantly reloading in the background. Switching between video editing software, cloud storage, web browsers, graphic design applications, communication tools, and productivity apps could become significantly smoother. For creators who constantly multitask throughout the day, this could provide a much more consistent professional experience without requiring them to spend extra money just to unlock additional RAM. Perhaps one of the most interesting rumored upgrades involves thermal management. Apple has always prioritized making the iPad Pro incredibly thin, But that beautiful design also creates challenges when powerful processors generate heat during extended workloads. Traditional laptops have more internal space for cooling fans, heat pipes, and larger thermal systems, allowing them to sustain high performance over longer periods. The iPad Pro does not have that luxury. Reports now suggest Apple may be testing an advanced vapor chamber cooling solution capable of spreading heat much more effectively across the chassis. If implemented successfully, this technology could allow the processor to maintain higher clock speeds for much longer before thermal throttling begins. For professionals working on lengthy video exports, large photo libraries, complex 3D renders, software development projects, or intensive multitasking sessions, sustained performance matters far more than brief benchmark numbers. Beyond the hardware itself, however, the biggest challenge may still come down to software. The iPad Pro already possesses more processing power than many users can fully utilize, yet some professionals still hesitate to replace their laptops because iPadOS lacks certain desktop-level capabilities. Advanced multitasking, improved external monitor support, more flexible file management, and better professional workflows remain at the top of many users' wish lists. If Apple introduces another major hardware leap while also significantly improving iPadOS, the gap between tablet and laptop could become smaller than ever before. Students, business professionals, photographers, designers, video editors, musicians, and content creators could all benefit from a device that combines desktop-class performance with exceptional portability. Current rumors suggest Apple could introduce this next-generation iPad Pro during spring 2027, although that timeline could certainly change before any official announcement. As always, these specifications remain unconfirmed, and Apple could alter its plans at any point before launch. Still, the overall direction appears promising. A faster processor, stronger graphics, 16 gigabytes of RAM across every model, improved thermal management, and a more capable version of iPadOS could transform the iPad Pro into the closest thing yet to a genuine laptop replacement. It may never need to become a MacBook with a touchscreen. Instead, it simply needs to become the best possible version of an iPad, combining world-class hardware with software capable of fully unlocking its potential. If Apple succeeds in bringing all these pieces together, the next iPad Pro could represent one of the most important upgrades in the product's history and finally answer the question users have been asking for years. Can an iPad truly replace a laptop?